Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Lisa here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. It is Father's Day weekend. Can you believe it? You know what that means? It's time for our annual motorcycle and car show with Time Machine. So come on out with your hot rods, your Vets, your old cars. Come on out and join that. You got a kick-ass motorcycle? Bring that out as well and enter it in our motorcycle show. This is going on, starts at 10 a.m. Come out early, get yourself a good spot. It's $15 registration. They got the top 30. They've got all their different categories. Come out and take advantage of that, of the beautiful weather that's going to be happening here. Also, you know what? Dad wants a new Harley for Father's Day. Did he tell you that? He told us. So come on in, check out our new Harleys, take some test rides, see what we have to offer. We have flex financing. We have all different financing options for you. Get Dad what he really wants for Father's Day. And what's also happening this weekend is our Rolling Milwaukee to Sturgis Dealership Giveaways. What are the dealership giveaways? We've got the swag bags. We have the wristbands to stay at the Pappy Hole Campground during the week of Sturgis. We have the passes to the Harley-Davidson Museum. We have an autographed bottle of Jesse James American Outlaw Honey. And we have this Bertello grill. So Bertello grill, this Bertello pizza oven. I can say that 10 times really quick. So come on out and join us for these giveaways. We're giving them away right after all the awards for the car show. So right around 2:30. So make sure you're here, get your last set of keywords and take advantage of our dealership giveaways. We have Sandy V's, teas and things are going to be here. So you can grab a bite to eat and have some nice freshly brewed tea and lemonade. We're all going to be here. We just need you. And again, this Saturday, we're starting at 10. We'll see you then.